I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, vlog, and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Can you guys freaking believe it? I seriously can't. How do we only have one day left of Vlogmas after this? So I woke up today not feeling like doing any work. Like, I definitely have those Christmas week lazies. It's like senior scaries, except it's about Christmas. And man, I just want to do nothing work related today. Luckily, it's not a big list that I have here. It's actually, it's actually pretty light, which is nice. So here's sort of what I was thinking. Since I have such a light day, I sort of want to just power through my to-do list this morning. I really think like if I just focus, I could be done with my to-do list by like noon or 1 o'clock. Which, how amazing would that be? I feel like things always come up and I always say that, and every time I say it, it never works out. I shouldn't have said that out loud. I keep telling myself not to tell the vlog that because then it never works out and I work until like 8 p.m. But I really think today could be the day. It's already 9:15 because I was working on the vlog this morning. I feel like it's gonna be 3 hours until noon or 4 until 1. You know what, I don't eat until 1 or 1:30 anyway. If I wrap up before I'm ready for lunch, I feel like that's a success. Okay, it is 10:30 now and I'm making good progress on my to-do list. So we are on track. Where am I going? We are on track to get this done and I am very excited. Okay, just quickly taking a break to get some liquid IV. Again, this is the strawberry flavor. As you guys know, it's my favorite. I also added the link to this and my discount code in the description so that it would be in all of my videos now. So make sure you go check that out. I know Liquid IV is coming out with a new flavor that they said they were sending me. It might be downstairs because I do have a package downstairs that I haven't gotten around to getting yet. Sorry, this is probably an annoying noise to have to listen to. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna get it tomorrow because I don't feel like going downstairs. Oh yeah. It just is so good with the strawberry flavor. I love it so much. Okay, taking another small break because I just got some groceries delivered. This is not like a usual grocery delivery. This was mostly Christmas stuff. Honestly, it's not really even mostly groceries. It's mostly alcohol. You know, Calder and I are just hanging out here at my place on Christmas Eve and Christmas, so we wanted to make sure that we were stocked up with everything we were gonna need, and I think we did it. On Christmas morning, we want to make Bloody Marys, so I got stuff for that. I have the Mr. and Mrs. T Bold and Spicy Bloody Mary mix. And then with that, of course, I got some Tito's, which will be great for the Bloody Marys and just if we want mixed drinks or whatever that day. And the Winning Touch Clamato juice, my favorite addition to Bloody Marys. It's so good. So, Bloody Marys, check. Also got 2 bottles of wine. So we have a red, the Velvet Devil, and a white, Chateau Saint Michelle, just our usual wines. Just got some wraps. This is not for Christmas, I just was out of that. I got a cucumber because I think we're gonna make a cheese board and I really like cucumber on my cheese boards. I also got a fresh box of crackers. This is our favorite to get because it comes with 4 different kinds of crackers in it and it lasts forever, so there you go. Also, just for me, finally got some more Sriracha Ranch. It's been very sad in my house without it. Got a little mini shrimp cocktail here. Got a green bell pepper because I was out of that as well. And then on Christmas, we are making a new recipe. I actually talked about this a little bit in a recent vlog. It's a recipe that my family makes every year on Christmas. It's called bami goreng. It's an Indonesian recipe. My mom sent me all of the special like Indonesian spices and sauces that we need to make it. So I picked up the rest of the stuff here. So it's a noodle dish. You make it with linguine. At least we do. I have no idea what is actually like traditionally right or not. This is just the way that my family makes it. So I'm sorry if any of this is just not accurate. I also got some celery to go in there and also thought this would be good for our bloodies. And then had to get some eggs because we put a scrambled egg in it as well. I'm still debating whether I'm gonna vlog on Christmas or not. Like I think it could be a fun vlog because we're making this like fun dish. And it's mine and Connor's first Christmas together, so I sort of think it would be nice to have video of that. But I also just don't really want to work on Christmas, so I have not made a final decision about that yet. But, Molly Cat, what was that? Were you doing something bad and you got caught? What were you doing? What were you doing? But I'm very excited. I love that the majority of this was just alcohol, as it should be. I mean, what else were we gonna do on Christmas? Just the two of us. Miss Molly, I could tell you were right behind me. You wanna say hi? Oh, she's running. I got you anyway. Look at this kitty cat. Okay. Good girl. Well guys, we did it. We made it through the to-do list and it is 12:45 p.m. I mean, that's pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to continue to keep an eye out and, you know, if anything comes up, I'll take care of it, but we are officially done with everything that I needed to get done today. That is very exciting and I'm actually pretty hungry already. It's sort of early for me for lunch. I usually don't eat until like 1:30, sometimes even later, but I'm a little hungry. So we're going to make a lunch right now and I'm sort of craving some dumplings, so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. I have these vegetable dumplings from Trader Joe's and let me show you how I make them. So I like to steam my dumplings. I really do think they taste best that way, but the thing is that I don't have a steamer. So I do a little trick. I really need to just get a steamer, but this works really well for now. So basically what I do, I grab some aluminum foil, bunch it up in a ball, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom of a tall pan. I don't know, what is this called? I'm gonna do that 2 more times. Okay, so I have my aluminum foil in there. Next, we add water. You don't need a whole lot of water. Sit a plate in there that sort of like fits inside. So obviously having a steaming basket is way easier than doing this, but this is what I have, so this is what I do. And I think I might just make the rest of this bag. So I put them all on the plate and then lid it up.
7 minutes, starting now.
All right, there we go. All right, let's see how these are looking. Do we think they're done? Yeah, I think that they're done. Yeah, okay, sweet. Okay, so I just throw these babies into a bowl now. Be careful because obviously the plate they were on will be really hot. This stuff is all hot, so I just let it totally cool down before I clean it up. And then in here, I just do a little splash of sesame oil. And then I use my soyaki marinade from Trader Joe's as another little sauce. I just pour carefully because this can come out sort of quick. Obviously, this is not super healthy, but it is very delicious. So I'm super excited for this for lunch today. Guys, I thought it would be fun to wrap Molly's Christmas presents, and now she just ran over here. These are for Christmas, Molly Cat. They're not for now. I know you love this Yow catnip. She is so funny. So yeah, we're gonna wrap these. My hope, my dream, I would be so excited if she would rip open the package on Christmas because she smells the catnip. I think I might be setting my expectations too high, but also maybe not. I mean, look at this. What do you think, Molly? You're excited? Yep, but these are all for Christmas. Those are Christmas toys. No, you can't look cute and convince me. Ow! Bitch, don't bite me.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
Here we are. Molly is patiently waiting for her toys. Also, that's where the camera is sitting. That's why there's a candle on the ground. I have this one, which is to Molly from Mom. That's me. And then I did this one to Molly from Coco. That way she gets a little gift from Connor as well. I love you so much. I'm so excited to spend Christmas with you. Okay, it is 2:50 p.m. now, and I need to walk over to Connor's in about an hour to avoid walking over when it's too dark. Oh, I forgot I just washed my workout mat, aka just a towel that I work out on. I think today I'm going to do a little HIIT cardio workout, which I hate. I hate cardio so much, but I do know that it's good, so we're just gonna do it and suck it up. Finished my workout, hopped in the shower. Oh my god, you guys, that workout was really hard. I struggled a lot and like wanted to quit so many times, but I stuck with it. By the way, I've been getting a lot of comments in my vlog lately being like, oh my god, your braids are popping off, and thank you so much. And I humbly agree. They are, you know, really working for me now. I am telling you guys, it is this new technique that I've been using that I showed you near the beginning of Vlogmas of putting that Shea Moisture transitioning milk in my hair before braiding it, and OMG, does it just make my curls so pretty. I think we still have a little bit of time before I'm gonna really need to go over to Connor's, so I sort of want to microplane my face really quickly. It just has been like bugging me lately, the little peach fuzz, and I want to get it off, and I think I can do that in like 5 minutes. So okay, let's move into my bathroom. Okay, so I'm usually not too big on beauty tools in general. I don't use them that often, but my Dermaflash is one of my absolute favorites. If you don't know what dermaplaning is, I'm not even calling this microplaning. Is that the same thing? I'm not totally sure. Anyway, it basically just takes off your peach fuzz and like the first layer sort of your skin. It's just a way to exfoliate, gets rid of the peach fuzz. Obviously, the biggest question that I always get when I show this is, doesn't your hair grow back thicker and darker? Clearly not. I've been doing this for years at this point, and no, absolutely not. I don't think any hair on your body grows back thicker and darker because you start shaving it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. And what I like to do is just pull my skin sort of tight, slowly move down my face, and I don't know if you can see that, but that right there, it's just a bunch of peach fuzz and probably dead skin too. Oh my god, look at all of that. That is crazy. Man, does that feel good. Once you're done, you just throw out the blade, because you'll see it has like tons of like dead skin and peach fuzz and stuff on it, which obviously you don't want. Okay, let's package up these Poshmark orders. We'll drop them off on our way over to Connor's, and then we can have a nice, fun, relaxing evening. Okay, I got all my stuff packed up here. I'm gonna grab these packages, drop them off, and head over to Connor's. Guys, check out this Christmas gift that Connor got from his parents. How pretty is this decanter?
Picking the right time to move in with me.
I know I am. Bringing something to the table finally.
Fine.
And they also got him a like wine subscription service, so he'll get 2 bottles every month. I think this is one of them, right?
Yes.
Nice, Pinot Noir. I'm very excited for this. Oh my god, so fancy. I can't believe it.
Drop it first try.
Please do not. Yum. Oh, I am excited for this. We just spent some time hanging out and watching basketball, because I'm a cool girlfriend like that.
We were really mainly just talking. Just gabbing.
Just gabbing.
Just gabbing.
You said that last time too.
While basketball played in the background.
Yeah, and then we tuned in here and there. So, Connor and I are about to watch the season finale of The Bachelorette. This is part 2. I haven't seen it yet. I already watched part 1 without Connor, but I roped him into watching part 2 with me. Yes, I know. He's very upset. Like,
And
when we
there's
live
just, like,
together, expect your Bachelor watching to go through the roof.
This is why we like rooms. Multiple rooms. I like her from all
Yeah,
Homes.
Tasha's
as I
cool.
said,
I like
like
her.
I don't watch when I'm by myself, and you
Really? Shocker.
Yeah. Bachelor in Paradise, I could see myself getting into.
Yeah,
Where they're
totally.
on an island getting drunk.
Bip is clearly the best part of the Bachelor franchise. It's so good. But I want to let you guys know this fun Christmas tradition that Connor and I came up with for us to start. I don't know, I was sort of like, I feel like we should come up with something. It's our first Christmas together.
Yeah.
And so we thought of the idea to write handwritten letters to each other every single Christmas, which I think will be really fun.
Yeah, I think we're gonna talk about a little bit of the past year.
Right, like our favorite memories from last year, what we're looking forward to the next year.
Exactly.
And be able to like open them on Christmas and read them. And what I sort of liked about this tradition is that even when we're not spending Christmases together, we'll still be able to do it.
You're gonna cry every time.
I know I will, I'm very emotional.
There's another little tradition that I'm having to start too. That's tied up with your little Christmas gift.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm very intrigued. I don't know what this is, but I can't wait.
No, exactly. You won't know till Christmas.
I love Christmas surprises. Expectations are high now, so I hope you're ready.
That was a mistake.
I'm kidding. We're gonna start The Bachelorette now.
Here we go.
Hit play. I am very intrigued to see what's gonna happen. You have any predictions?
Yeah, from who we got. Ben, it's cool. I got a recap.
Okay, yeah.
here.
My prediction is Ben, and I'll put Connor's prediction
I'll tell you
in. Yeah.
1 minute.
Well, we finished The Bachelorette, and the good guy won.
Work for me, darling. Work for me.
Well, we have the water boiling.
Yeah,
we have
why would you let me do this?
the
What?
lobster ravioli. There you go. And we're just gonna make it all, right?
Yeah, I think so. Lobster ravioli.
Yeah, so this is lobster ravioli that Connor found at a farmer's market like last week or
Hoorah.
something, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very excited about this.
Coming out looking fine.
Fine. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so much like lobster. I'm so excited for these. I think they're like no joke lobster raviolis.
No joke.
No.
We not even kidding.
Okay. Like Connor said.
No laughs allowed. Oh man, that looks so good.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. And we need another like Connor taking over the vlog day. I can't believe I didn't plan that for Vlogmas.
I know.
That was pro planned on my part.
Well done, Connor. Voila. What do we got here?
Yes, look at this ravioli, you guys. We have fresh bread also from the farmer's market. So excited. And then this is a lobster ravioli. I put Parmesan, oil, garlic, and pepper on mine. And then Connor did all of those things on his, plus a little bit of tomato sauce, which also looks so good. Wow.
And one just like yours.
Yes, I
So
like
I don't
it.
fully miss out.
Yeah, I like that. That's good.
Because I have a feeling you might have the right way at it.
No, I think
just-
that... Sorry, I accidentally ended the clip.
No
You were
worries.
just craving tomato.
Yes.
That was my bad.
It's cool it wasn't important. I agree.
Love it. Okay, what are we gonna watch?
Finish this office episode?
Okay, and then see what happens.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I like it. Well, it's another next morning ending from me. Connor just fills me up on wine and food and then expects me to stay awake to end the vlog. It's ridiculous. But anyway, there you go. There's your ending. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the very last day of Vlogmas.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?